Hello, children. Very good morning. Hope all are well. Welcome to our Science Fact channel. Before we start this topic here, in this module, we will discuss about taproot system. In previous session, I already discussed about parts of plants and what two types of system. So here we will discuss about taproot system, and previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out. Before we start this topic, please like, subscribe and more share and forget upcoming notification. Thanks. So start this topic, the taproot system. Tap root system. Taproot system. So firstly here draw diagram of plants having a taproot, which having a taproot system. So this is a diagram of plant having a taproot system. Okay, so this is a plant. Taproot system. This is a diagram of taproot system. This is a primary root. Primary root, this main center vein, this is a primary root, and this is a secondary root. Here we can see here this diagram, this is a secondary root. Secondary root. So here we will discuss about taproot. So this is a diagram of taproot. This is a tap root. So we already know how can define root. In previous session, class 4th, already defined definition of root. Though the parts of plant that is below the surface of the earth is called root. So this topic taken from the class 4th and CBSE pattern. So this is a very interesting knowledgeable topic, and you can easily draw this diagram of taproot and note down this content. So firstly here define taproot. So some plants have a main root that grows vertically down in the ground and gives out branch on all the sides. So here we can see here some plants have a main root that grow vertically down in the ground. Some plant have a main root. This is a main root, grow vertically in the ground. Okay, and gives out branches branches. This branch comes from the main branch. So this is a taproot. So taproot's main signification, this root having a main branch grow vertically in the ground, and some branches comes out from the main branch. So here some facts right here. You can note down some plants have a main root. Some plants have a main root. You can see easily in this diagram, some plants have a main root. This is a main root, grows vertically in the ground. Okay, so some plants have a main root. Main root that grows vertically down. Vertically down in the ground. Vertically down in the ground. Some plants have a main root and vertically down in the ground and gives out branch on all the sides. And gives out branch on all the sides. Okay, you can easily see in this diagram the main branch vertically down in the ground and gives some side branch. Okay, and gives out branches all the sides, on all sides. Okay, so this main branch, this is a main branch. Tap roots main signification have a main branch and grows vertically down in the ground and comes out some branches, side branches. These branches are called lateral or side roots. These branches are called lateral or side root. The main root is quickly thick but its branches are much thinner. This type of root is called taproot. The main root is quite thick. This is a, you can see this diagram. This is a main roots, very quiet and thick, and some side branches are much thinner than main branch. So this is a main signification the main of taproot plant. The main root is quite thick. The main root is quite thick. The main root is quite thick, but its branches are much thinner. Are much thinner. This type of root is called taproot. Taproot. The example of taproot, the pea plant, neem and mango tree have taproot. The pea plant, neem, and mango tree have taproot. So let's revise again how can define the taproot. This is a diagram of taproot. Taproot is a main signification, has a taproot plant have a main root and some side branches, lateral and side roots have comes out from the main root. The main root have a quick thicker and and some branches comes out of the main branch. This is a thinner compare than main roots. So this is a primary root and this is a secondary root. So this is diagram of taproot. You can easily draw in your notebook, and this is a content of taproot. Some plants have main root that grows vertically down in the ground and gives out branches on all the sides. These branches are called lateral or side roots. The main root is quite thick and but its branches are much thinner. This type of root is called taproot. The pea plant, neem and mango tree have a taproot. So this is the content of topics of taken from class 4th, and this is a CBSE pattern. You can easily note down and draw this diagram in your notebook. And very important topic of roots. This is a parts of roots, the root system. The root has a two system, the taproot system and fibrous root system. So we will finish this video here, and we will come next video from next topics about the root system and the fibrous root system, and discuss very explain way of this topic, fibrous root. So in this video, very interesting, and you can easily note down and learn this topic. So I request you, before finishing this video, please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button icon for get next upcoming notification. So we already know all children cannot go school due to this pandemic coronavirus disease. All over the world is lockdown for few months. So this is a very interesting topic for children, and stay in home. God bless. Take care. Be positive. Think positive. And take care. Bye bye. Defeat to coronavirus. Okay. Thank you.